I'm Blake Castle, CEO of Bodylastics USA. So at the time that I came up with the stackable resistance band design, all there were elastic tubes with handles permanently attached. I came up with that stackable band design, multiple bands at the same time, to create 60, 70, 100, 200 pounds of tension. Over the years, we made tons of changes and improvements, and part of the reason for that was that I was using the product. I started doing live workouts in 2009. I've probably been in and done over 2,000 workouts with my own product. People would say, can you really build muscle with resistance bands? And yes, you really can. Resistance bands work by creating tension when you stretch them. The amazing thing about a resistance band, the resistance at the beginning of the stretch is not as much as at the end of the stretch. So as you elongate or pull, the resistance goes higher. Resistance bands are absolutely comparable to free weights. You want to make sure that you get resistance bands that have a proper rating on them. Ours, we actually check with a fish scale. It is the premier resistance band set on the market. Our clips are patented, so they have an O-ring, so the clip stays in place, the carabiner clip. Our carabiner clips, they have a nickel finish, so they're coated in nickel, so they stay looking pristine all the time. Our clips have a different closure, so you don't cut your finger. Our handles are so big and robust that one of our handles equals 2 of our competitors' handles in regards to weight. So all of our stuff is really heavy duty. Our ankle straps, our door anchor, everything is made to be premium quality, heavy duty, and really at the top of the market in regards to durability, quality. When you buy a Bodylastic system, you have access to 5,000 workouts, follow along workouts. The Bodylastics workouts are like nothing you've ever done in your life. They're not the norm. We pushed the envelope.